Hello, hi friends. This is Sridhar. You are watching Sridhar Studies YouTube channel. Today discuss 6th class social studies important DSET bits. ఓకే, మనకు జనరల్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ నుంచి డీసెట్లో 10 మార్కులు రావడం అయితే జరుగుతుంది. వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి 6వ తరగతి నుంచి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం కావున మనం 6వ తరగతి నుంచి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంకు సంబంధించి ప్రతి ఒక్క లెసన్ నుండి కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ అయితే సేకరించడం జరిగింది. వాటిని ఇప్పుడు మనం చర్చించుకుందాం. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1, సన్ రైజెస్ ఇన్ ద డాష్ డైరెక్షన్. సన్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈస్ట్. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ట్. Second question, some common symbols are called conventional symbols. Answer conventional symbol. The next question, usually maps are prepared that the dash direction in the top. North. Answer top. Next question, we show things on a map with the help of. Answer scale. Who prepare symbols? Map makers. Answer map makers. PS means police station. PS means police station. Next question, actual distance between your home to Mandal center is 20 km. This scale is 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometer. Then the map distance is. Answer 2 centimeters. Next question, to indicate forest, which of the following maps are required? Physical maps. Answer physical maps. Sheshachalam hills are dash district. In the dash district. Sheshachalam hills are Chittoor district. The plain in AP, eastern coastal plain. The plain in AP dash eastern coastal plain. Humus is exceed more in alluvial soils. Humus is exceed more in alluvial soils. Answer dash are very high and they have steep slopes with very little flat land on them. The answer mountains. Next question, dash are highlands but they have more flat lands with some hills in between them. Answer plain. The next question, large portions of Telangana and Rayalaseema fall in the dash region. Answer river the region. Next question, Hyderabad and Secunderabad are located in the Deccan Plateau. Answer Deccan Plateau. Next question, this is a city located at East Coastal Plain. Nellore. Answer Nellore. The next question, Godavari and Krishna rivers flow into Bay of Bengal. Answer Bay of Bengal. The next question, the river Krishna irrigates from. Answer Mahabaleshwar. The river Krishna irrigates from Mahabaleshwar. Next question, which of the following a sub-tributary of Krishna? Tungabhadra. Which of the following is a sub-tributary of Krishna? Answer Krishna. Microliths excavated from. Answer Adilabad. Microliths excavated from. Answer Adilabad. Next question. The earliest people's tools made up of bones are stones. Answer, bones are stones. The next question. Microliths are made from hard stone. Answer, hard stone. The fifth question. Early man made fire by striking dashed stone. Answer, two stones. Bellum caves are in. Sixth question. Bellum caves are in Karnool. Answer, Karnool. Seventh question. Who studies the past by digging up old places? Archaeologist. Answer, archaeologist. The eighth question. Tools made of bones are found only in these caves in the entire Indian subcontinent. Answer, Karnool. The next ninth question. People who regularly move from place to place are called nomads. Answer, nomads. There are 10 rocks shelters which have paintings of early people pen. Answer, YSR Kadapa. The first question. An ambassador of a Greek king in the court of Chandragupta. Megasthenes. Answer, Megasthenes. The next two questions. Gold mines were situated at Suvarnagiri. Answer, Suvarnagiri. Where Mayuras could get good from other countries. Where Mayurans could get good from other countries. Takshashila. Answer, Takshashila. The next fourth question. Which of the following book advise kings how to task on different kinds of profession? Arthashastra. Answer, Arthashastra. The fifth question. The first ruler who tried to take the message to the people thought inscriptions. Answer, Ashoka. Most of Ashoka's inscriptions were in language Prakrit. Answer, Prakrit. The next question. The ancient name of coastal Odisha is Kalinga. Answer, Kalinga. Ashoka fought a war to conquer. Answer, Kalinga. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is related to central level MP? Which of the following is related to central level MP? In India, general elections come for every 5 years. Answer, every 5 years. The government works at dash levels, 3 levels. The government works at dash levels, all the above, local, state, national. The democracy requires people's participation. The democracy requires people participation. Government do everything on behalf their people. Answer, people. In our times, every country needs a government. The government also takes action on many financial issues. The next paper. Harappa seal was marked with. Answer, Bal. Buddha pyramid is teachings a first at Saranath. Answer, Saranath. Sharanath lion capital was set up by? Answer Ashoka. Sanchi Stupa is in Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Sanchi Stupa was built by Ashoka. Answer Ashoka. The next question. A crystal casket containing the relics of the Buddha was found at Battiprolu Stupa. Battiprolu Stupa. The next question, eighth question. Stupa at Andhra Pradesh were all the above: Amaravati, Battiprolu, Ramatirtham. All the above. The next question. Vidisha is in MP. Vidisha is in MP. The earliest Lingam Gudimallam is in Chittur. The next question. The Nagarjuna Konda is famous for Buddhism. Famous for Buddhism. Jataka stories are related to the Buddhist stories. Alvars are 12. Alvars are devotees of Vishnu. Alvars are devotees of Vishnu. Andal is devotees of Vishnu. The next question. Songs composed and sung by Alvaras. Pasuramas. Next, ninth question. According to Nammalvar, who is the creator? Vishnu. Answer Vishnu. The 10th question. The Nayanars were dash in number 63. The next paper one first question. The responsibilities forwards are called dash in municipal towns. Answer councillor. The next question. The representatives are called dash in corporation cities. Answer corporators. The third, councillors are in municipal city. The Chinna is a municipal worker. Chinna is a municipal worker. Tenali municipality is in Guntur district. Answer Guntur district. The first one, the proportion of females in India popular is constantly decreasing. Answer decreasing. Which of the following is wrong according to female population? Female proposition 2013 is to 1011. Third question. In AP in 1991, how many females to 1000 males? 850. The next question. In AP in 2011, how many females to 1000 males? 945. The next question. In AP among children under 6 years for 1000 boys girls are in 2012 943. Next question. The reason for declaring the girls and boys proportion. All the above. Young girls do not get sufficient in nutrition food, do not receive proper medical treatment. All practice in which girls are killed before they are born. The next question. The dash tribals live in Kunavaram Kondareddis. Answer. The next question. The habitation of tribers to dash to 2 kilometers apart. Answer 1. 3,5. Kondareddy speaking language is Telugu. Kondareddy grow crops in a distinct way called Podu shifting cultivation. Answer Podu shifting cultivation. The next question, sixth question, Podu is an ancient practice in the region. Answer hilly. The next seventh question, Podu is practiced widely in Chhattisgarh. Answer Chhattisgarh. Kondareddy dibble seeds with the help of digging sticks. Answer digging sticks. They could not use plow because it. Answer makes the soil infertile. Answer infertile. The principal crop of this tribe is jowar. Answer jowar. The next page was open. The first question, there are dash oceans. There are dash oceans 4. The next question, the India is located in which continent? Asia. Answer Asia. The frozen ocean is Arctic. Answer Arctic. Dash is model of the earth globe. The next question, earth rotates from the west to east. Answer from the west to east. Sixth question, two ends of the earth poles. The next question, horizontal imaginary lines on the globe, latitudes. Answer latitude. Vertical imaginary lines on the globe, longitude. Answer longitude. Large land masses on the globe are called continents. Answer continent. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ విధంగా మనకు సోషల్ స్టడీస్ నుంచి అయితే క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగడం అయితే జరుగుతుంది. ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంకు సంబంధించి 6వ తరగతి పాఠాలన్నీ ఆధారంగా చేసుకొని ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్నలు సేకరించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం అయితే జరిగింది. కావున మొదటిసారిగా ఎవరైనా మా ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ల కోసం మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని మరియు మా వీడియోలను మీ మిత్రులకు షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్.